challenge on YouTube from some other YouTuber. Something about stuff in the pockets. Stay tuned. The What's in Your Pocket challenge. Thanks to Arco at Outlaw Edge for tagging me in the challenge. That was one of the challenge. What do I normally in my pocket? Well, first of all, I'm always wearing a sweater. So I will flip the phone down in a minute and show you the rest. Usually there's my phone in here, which is always in my pocket. And I'll put my phone on a glove because my bench is going to kill the battery. What else do I have? I usually have one of these dumb things. We all know what these dumb things are. That's in my pocket. You bend the camera down. All right, now that we have that. What do I normally carry in my pocket? Well, not only in my pocket, I usually have a pile of keys. Attached to my keys, there's a U.S. Army tag. There's a remove before flight tag from Yard Store. My car key, if you want to copy and steal my car, be my guest. There's a fire department key. I also have a P38 can opener, which I've used many times to open cans. I've had this one. This one says U.S. Speaker. I bought it in Florida at a, what do you call it? Army surplus. This I attach to my, what do you call it? My belt key. I also normally have a fire pager on me, which I don't have on me. It's been kind of replaced with the phone. I also have toothpicks because I'm constantly getting shit stuck in my teeth. So there's usually at least 2 of these in my pocket. Of course, I'll get rid of those now. They're all dirty. I usually, occasionally have my wife's van key, which is in there. I have a wallet, which says U.S. Army on it. There, which all the usual shit, including my stuff. What else do I have? Normally when I come back from the border, oh wait, first I have this. It's a Gerber knife, cheap little one. What is I go through knives like, I guess, socks. I ruin them, I break them, I try new ones. I'm always carrying a different knife. I'm not like Arco, I don't carry the same knife all the time. Like I do have a Leatherman Wave. I have like probably every version of Leatherman. They are excellent, but I find them too bulky. So I'm always trying to find the perfect pocket knife. This thing is so dull. Like if you look at it, I've literally abused the hell out of it. I broke the last 2, what are they, charade knives? No, not charade. I don't know. I broke the last 2, bought another one. This is, I buy like $6 to $10 knives. This one I bought too. It's a Smith & Wesson. I bought it for the garage. I think I already broke the tip off. I also, this week, going across the border again, I bought this knife, which is a mossy oak. I think it was $7.99 for this one. And what else? Oh yeah, there was this went with it. It had its baby little cousin here. Whoa! Ginsu knife. So I have that in my pocket this week. I also have, let's see, what's in my pocket? Pocket lint. I have more key. This was a thing. Key to the post office and all that shit. Change for all you folks. The American side. This is a Canadian $2 bill. This is a Canadian $1 bill, known as a toonie and a loony. Usually I have like 6, 7, 7.50. Oh, we don't have the penny anymore here. They got rid of the penny in Canada, but my daughter gave me one. I also usually have a pen on me. When I'm at work, I usually have a marker. I usually have old popsicle sticks, because I was eating popsicles the other day. I don't know why I have a Allen key in my pocket. What else? Another penny, and I got a whole lot of fresh tears. Anyway, fresh tears. That's what I normally have in my pockets. And glasses, and that's it really. Oh, and also what I have on me is my ring. Everybody, that's my ring. I've had this ring since 1991. So yeah. Thank you, Arco, for the What's in Your Pocket challenge, and Am I supposed to challenge somebody else? I don't know. But yeah, if I'm supposed to challenge somebody else, I'll add it in. And I'll add it to it. So anyway, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to nominate somebody else for the What's in Your Pocket challenge. But anyway, I want Danny from DG Retro Customs. I want to see what's in your pockets. And Ralphie Customs. I don't own a motorcycle, but I absolutely love your channel. And who else? Oh, Bill from Edge of Eternity. Come on, show us your pockets. I want to see what's in there. Who else? There's a few. Also, if you haven't subscribed to them or linked to them, check out down below. The links that Arco told you about too are awesome channels. I've subscribed to all your channels. I like supporting other channels. Thank everybody for supporting me, and thanks for asking what's in my pocket. Awesome challenge. And don't forget, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you liked the challenge. I did. Have a great one.